How to change your password in Nvidia account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Nvidia. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Nvidia. This is the homepage of Nvidia website, and here on the top right corner, you can see this human icon. Click on it. Now it will redirect you to the login page. Here you have to type in your email in this field, or if you have signed up your account with Google, Discord or Apple or Facebook, click on the respective option here. Now type in your email on this field. After that, click on continue. Now type in your password and click on login. After you have logged into your account, you can see your profile icon on the right corner. Click on this icon here. Now click on this Nvidia account option. Here scroll down a little bit. And on this account management option, you can see the security settings. Click on it. Here to change your password, click on this change password option. Now you have to type in your current password. Now type in new password. After you have typed in your new password, click on the save option. So this is how you can change your password in Nvidia. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.